Real airport life involves a visit to the airport bar to enjoy a relaxing meal or reasonably priced beverage. So what happens when one airport passenger disrupts that airport zen? On March 17, 2025, the Lee County Port Authority Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Did y'all call?
Yes, I saw that.
So what's going on?
So I have a lady she's just not feeling, I don't know if she's just not feeling it, but she's on the phone. I don't know if she's had a bad phone call. She's screaming she's screaming a lot. So she did have 2 beers.
Okay. Are you guys wanting her to leave or what?
Yeah,
You want her to leave?
Go ahead.
Are you wanting her to leave or what are you guys wanting done? Just to make sure she's okay or?
I don't think she can fly. I don't think she can fly like that.
Yeah, we'll have to ask the airlines. They're going to be the ones who decide that. So
Okay, yeah. I don't think nobody wants her on the flight.
Okay, well that's between the airline, but as far as her being at your
She
establishment,
needs to get out
Okay.
too, yeah.
If she's unwilling to leave, are you willing to trespass her?
Huh?
If she doesn't want to leave, are you going to?
Ma'am, are you okay?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Hi. What's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi. What's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was in another place.
Okay. Well, let's grab your bag. We're not gonna be able to stay here. Do you have your boarding pass with you?
Yeah.
All right. Can I see your boarding pass? And would I be able to see your driver's license?
Was it like,
Yeah, you're just being a little too loud.
Okay.
You just can't be screaming. All right.
Sorry, yeah.
Do you have your boarding pass? Here, let's stay seated right here for now.
Oh.
Would I be able to see your boarding pass?
Yeah.
Do you know what airline you're flying?
I'm sorry, I was like,
Is everything okay? You just drank a little too much.
kind of like in between.
In between? Is something wrong?
No.
Okay. The issue is just you can't be screaming stuff, okay? It causes a disturbance, all right? So I don't want you to get in trouble, so I don't want you to keep screaming. Sound good?
I was like, literally, I was like not here.
That's fine. Just try to get your boarding pass right now. Let's just keep it down, okay? Let's try to get your boarding pass. You okay if I take this out of here?
Yeah, I'm just having, I'm kind of like in this world, in that world, and it's kind of like,
Delta. Yeah.
what's Delta
421
mean?
Central. Can you have a Delta GSC come down to Dewars?
Yeah, but guess what? My husband was an Army
421 bag. When you're ready, can you copy a Florida ID card?
Fort Myers County now in the name of the CIC. She advised he was previously stopped on the 24th by
Ranger, battalion of
Okay.
the United States Force.
All right. We're right here. We're right here.
keep it
You
down.
don't need to yell.
I'm not.
So here's what's going to happen, okay? We have to get a hold of Delta Airlines. They're going to decide whether you're allowed to fly or not, because you obviously are intoxicated, okay?
I don't mean those.
Okay, so they're going to decide whether you can get on the plane or not.
I don't mean no plane.
You just want to go home?
Yeah.
All right, if you want to walk out, we can walk out right now. Do you have someone that can come pick you up? Yeah, we can go right now. You want to do that? Okay.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, we'll walk out of the concourse. Do you have someone that can come pick you up as a ride?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that then.
Oh, wait.
Yes, ma'am. Don't forget your cell phone, so you can call whoever you need to come pick you up, or you can go and get in a taxi.
Okay.
Why don't we start walking?
Okay.
We'll start walking right out this way. Let's go head towards
Grab your bag.
Do you know Special Forces Ranger Battalion? 175th.
Here's your bag.
Go walk this way.
Here's your bag.
Fine.
We can talk when we walk.
No.
Let's walk and talk.
This way.
No.
Ma'am.
I gotta go. I gotta sit down.
Okay, sit down so you don't fall.
Okay. So, this is what family drama
Take your bag.
causes. Trauma.
Do we have a wheelchair? Sit there in a wheelchair and wheel her out of here.
What do you want to do?
There's some back there. Go ahead. Just hold on one second. We're going to get you a
No,
chair so you don't
no.
have to walk.
Apologies, I think.
Is she still in there?
Yeah,
Is
the
she-
lady's in there.
Where's she at inside?
Here in this stall.
Ma'am, are you okay? She's coming out. Here, Teresa, I got a chair for you. It's VIP service. So you can just sit down. We can take you right out.
Because what
That way you
happened?
don't even have to.
So you don't have to walk.
You should do that.
And I'll hold your bag for you, okay?
Or go ahead and have a seat on your.
We can get you down to a cab so you can get a ride home.
Can you tell me what happened?
You're just a little too intoxicated, that's all. You're screaming and down at the bar.
Yeah.
So that's what we're just gonna head out. We'll get.
You know why?
Why?
That's the question.
It is. I know. Why? I don't know.
You don't know why.
I wasn't there. You're right.
That's why. Oh, do you know the family circle? The family circle?
Sure.
I'm like being real.
Yeah.
Okay. The family circle is sacred.
Correct.
And when something happens, like in the family circle and taking that in the family,
Yeah, the family circle.
I'm not gonna talk if you went.
He was just breathing because he got.
I'm breathing.
Air up.
No.
Thank you. I don't know why you're getting upset at me. I'm pushing you.
Because you're.
His nose was just congested.
Are you worthy? Are you worthy?
So what about the family circle?
No. Are you worthy to stand there and say, you don't know your existence as a human being? I'm talking like internal being. Whatever, you
I'm
know.
listening.
You want to?
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Conversation.
Don't jump up. Whoa.
Watch out.
Oh,
Don't be jumping out of the wheelchair while we're rolling. I don't want you to get hurt.
Fall off, okay?
You'll get fall off and get hurt.
and if I got hurt and I got, you know, if I had
Well, I don't
fell-
want you to get hurt.
if I fell to my death and got hurt, what would you think?
I would be upset because I don't want you to get hurt.
Because why?
Because I don't want anybody to get hurt. That's my job
Safe.
here.
Don't talk. Because why?
Turn around and put your feet on the thing. I'm not
Because
going to do
why?
this all day with
Because why?
you. I'm not going to do this all day with you.
No,
Just Teresa, just
With
sit
your
back.
no. It
Teresa,
goes.
just sit back, please.
It goes further.
Would you rather I push the wheelchair?
Yeah.
Okay,
It goes
we'll do that.
further than that. Let's exchange. Let's exchange. You know,
Teresa, just sit back. I don't want you to fall, please.
why wouldn't you want me to get hurt?
Because it's our job.
Why would I want anybody to get hurt? Why would that make any sense?
Because why?
Just go down the stairs. I'll meet you down there. Do
Everything.
you live with anyone at home?
No. I live with no one. I live with a woman who wants to take over my life. And my son is no.
we get up here, there's going to be some taxis.
No.
Watch out. Don't fall.
You're gonna leave me
No, I'm going to make sure you get in the car. And they're going
forever.
to... not forever. I'll probably see you again sometime. Here, watch out. I got this bump here. I don't want your feet to get stuck.
I just told you something.
Can you turn around? Because I don't want your foot to get stuck, please.
Really? You don't give a fuck about what I just said to you?
I do.
As a human being, you're gonna let me just go?
I'm going to have you get in a taxi so you can get a ride home so you can be somewhere safe.
You're gonna let me go?
I'm going to let you go home. I'll always be here at the airport if you ever come back.
You're gonna let me go?
Home. She needs a ride home. She's a little intoxicated. Do not grab me like that. Do not do that.
Stop.
Do not do that.
You're gonna let me go?
You understand me?
You're gonna let me go?
Let go of my hands.
You're gonna let me go?
Okay.
You're gonna let me go like that?
Do not grab me again.
No.
Do you understand?
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking
We're
about...
probably just going to do a Marchman Act.
Yeah.
Someone's going to need to get a car. Don't.
Let me go.
No.
You're grabbing me. Let me go.
You have no family.
41, are you able to get those?
I hate you.
Teresa, I need you to back up from her, please. She's trying to do her job. Please come sit down. Just take a seat right here on the bench.
43, take care of me. I'll be monitoring.
Give me
Let
that.
me know if you need me.
Okay.
Stand up.
Teresa, stand up.
But I'm
We're done playing games.
what did I do? I don't care. I love myself. I am love. I am
She's
love.
on
I
board,
am
65
love.
gallons of fuel. Tail number 718, Charlie Delta, 718, Charlie Delta.
What?
So Teresa, since you're too intoxicated to care for yourself, there's no one that stays with you. You're going to be placed under a Marchman Act. You're going to get taken to the hospital until you can sober up. Do you understand?
We tried giving you options.
Yeah. Yeah. If I want to fucking get arrested, I'm gonna say my freedom.
Have a seat.
My freedom.
Have a seat.
My freedom is love. 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 That's my freedom. My freedom is
Teresa.
love. What are you gonna do about it?
You're just going to go to the
What
hospital.
are you gonna do? I don't give a fuck. Love. Love is my power. That's my strength.
Central,
Love
do
is
we have a
my
vehicle
power.
coming down here?
I don't know you. I don't know anyone. Love
Why is
is
it
my
getting-
power. What? Stop!
Very well here.
Stop hurting me! Stop hurting me! You're hurting me! Stop! Ah!
Close it.
Ah!
What?
Go ahead, clear her too.
I mean, she's going to go to the hospital anyways.
Yeah, true.
So,
I don't care what this thing you was. What is my power?
Teresa, we're going to flip on your side.
Sit up.
Sit up just like that.
Okay. I'm sitting.
She was just drunk, so we're going to get her a taxi ride, but she has no one that can get her home, and no one don't take care of
Do
her.
you have to like hold
We're going to stand up.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Use your legs.
Stand up.
We're going to walk right over here. I got a nice comfy seat for you.
Oh.
You're going to have to take the cuffs off. It's wrapped in the purse. Just hold on 1 second.
Wait a
One
minute.
second. Right here. One
Just
second.
hold on. Cuffs about to slip.
Wait.
Wait a sec. Wait a minute. Okay.
Let's do...
I'll be fucking right there.
No, get yours. The purse. Cut the purse off.
She can't get it.
I really don't. I really don't.
Have a seat.
Oh, can you let me go?
Yep, get your leg and you got to sit up.
Your phone's returning. I can get a recommended.
You don't want to help me out?
There you go.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm not going to hurt you.
I'm hurt. I've been hurt. Fucking throw me some. Throw me. Ow!
There we go.
There we go. Safe now.
God knows. God knows. God knows.
Yep.
God knows what you did to me, and God knows how you thrown me in. God knows. God knows.
Did someone grab her bag that was over here?
Yeah, Myers has it. I'll see get pictures of the truck.
Huh?
I'll send you pictures of the truck.
Did she dent it?
She scratched it.
They got it.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.